family, friends, travel, and joy! And today my mommy bought me these toys that are from the Palengke. And you know, life is so hard with this pandemic. So these times we can't go to the malls, the toy stores, and we can't buy anything that's expensive because our parents doesn't have budget. So please don't get mad. Today my mom just bought me some cool and cheap toys that is from the Palengke. So first up is the cashier toy, the family zoo toy, the Lego toy, and some books. So I'm going to show you how to play with these toys and what comes with it. So first up is the cashier toy. Okay, this is how I open it because it's a little bit open at the bottom. Oof. Oh. Whoa. Oh my god. Okay, so mommy's helping me. See, this is all the toys. See, we don't need this cardboard.
What's that, Bill? Can you show them each one of that money?
This is 20 pesos.
Okay.
Which my dad earns. And this is 15 pesos. And 100 pesos. And 2,000 pesos.
No, it's 200.
Oh my god, sorry.
Show it again.
Okay. And it's 200. It looks super realistic, but they just printed this. And this is 500. And this is the 1,000. These are the coins, and I don't know.
What color is that?
This is green. They're like a pattern. Red. Green and red. Green again. Red again. Oof. How can I get them all? Green again. Oh, and lastly, red again. You can play this with your brothers and sisters if you have, of course. And you can play like groceries, shops, and even online selling. And next up is this educational toy because we can identify what animal it is. And they also have a baby. It's an egg. So let's open this up. Wait. Mom, can you please help me? Okay, she's gonna open it. She's opening it. Mom, be careful, you might crack the egg. She's finally opening this.
Show it.
Okay, this is the egg. Here, the pig. Okay, this is some plants. Oh, a rhino.
Show it to the camera.
A rhino, an egg, and a plant. Greenery, I mean. And another greenery. This is the real color this time. Okay, let's get these babies out. This is a camel going beside the rhino. This is like a little family. Okay. Okay, this is the tiger. Ooh, it's really realistic, but it's just toy. And this is the goat. So let's open up the egg. Let's open up this egg. Okay, it's super hard. This is the rhino. And you can also make a pretend zoo also. These are the greeneries. A green lion. A red goat. And a green camel. And of course the red baby egg. Okay, I'm just going to crack it open. What? Nothing? There's nothing in here. The egg is fake. Moving on. That was the biggest egg I've ever seen though. Okay, here look. Okay, here is the Lego. This time we can play build and stuff. Whoa, it's so hard to open. Good thing I can open this. Okay. Okay, here's the instructions. So you can like do this and stuff. So I guess I know what I'm gonna do now. I like building. I like building so much. I want to build something. I'm building a brick wall. You Superman. I'm so low. I'm almost reaching the top. Okay, almost done. 2 more to do. Oh my. Okay, this is my chat. Okay, this is my brick wall.
Go.
Moving on to books. So this is the coloring book of letters. Here's put it right here. And the Tom and Jerry one that has stickers inside. We also have Spike. And the bedtime story, which is the 3 little pigs and the wolf. And you can practice cursive with this one. So let's begin with the I want to color this. If you were wondering how much these toys are, this is 25 pesos, this is 10 to 15, and this headband is 40. And my mom got me all of these for 165 pesos only! Oh my gosh! I'm expecting 2 years. Please. Okay, I'm gonna do something.
Get something out of this.
Oh man. Oh man, I was thinking about this. I was thinking about this. Wait a minute. I was making a diving board. Seriously? This is a diving board. Oh man. Wait. I know what you're doing, Mom. Okay, Mom, look under it. So, this is oh man. Bakit ito? Oh man, sabi ko. May dala ko around, so must be right. Okay, what are customers? I got it, Mom. What if we rob? Come on. Yay. Okay, Mommy. What about we rob the fund? Okay, Daddy. That was weird. Mom, I'm gonna brown. It's like brown. Daddy don't think it's brown. It's like brown, not red. It's like not. It's like it's not red. I hope I don't know this red. Can't open. Look at my face. This color. This is what I use.
Go.
See?